So today in this video we are going to discuss the significance and applications of hydrology. In our previous video we saw that what is hydrological cycle and how it is important from an engineering point of view. So today in detail we will see that what are the various aspects of hydrology and what are its significance as well as applications. So starting with the first aspect of hydrology, which is water resources management. So from this point of view, hydrology plays a very important role in planning, developing and managing sustainable water supplies. The best example could be of construction of a reservoir or determining the capacity of reservoir of any dam from the rainfall records and the yearly discharge observation of rivers. The second application could be hydropower generation. So the capacity of the turbines and the quantity of hydropower that could be generated can be decided through the aspect of water resources management, and it also found its application in the in managing and designing the sources of water supply for a town or a city. Then the second aspect of hydrology is flood forecasting and control. So its significance is that it is essential for predicting flood events and designing flood protection measures. So it could be useful in calculating flood risk, that is flood risk mapping could be carried out using this aspect of hydrology. Early warning systems can be generated or can be developed, and post flood assessment could also be carried out through this aspect of hydrology. Then coming to third aspect of hydrology, which is irrigation planning. So the significance of that is it determines the crop water requirements and it also aids in designing efficient irrigation system. And its application includes planning irrigation schemes, scheduling crops and managing soil moisture. So it means that what will be the quantity of water that will be required by the different crops for the time period when it is remaining in the field, and how we need to maintain the soil moisture or we need to manage the soil moisture in the plants so they do not reach up to the wilting point. So these are the applications from the irrigation planning aspect of hydrology. The another aspect includes hydraulic structure designs. So the significance and applications are almost similar for this aspect of hydrology because it provides with the critical data of rainfall intensity and analysis for the designing dams, reservoirs, canals, culverts and spillways. The next aspect of hydrology could be urban stormwater management. So when floods comes into the cities or towns, then how this hydrology is helpful in the design of drainage systems to prevent those urban floodings, and its applications are preventing waterlogging by proper designing of stormwater systems so that the public transportation system is least affected. Then the next aspect of hydrology is hydropower generation. Now this aspect finds its significance in the design of reservoir capacity and stream flow for turbine operations, and it is applied for the determination of suitable site for hydroelectric power generation. The next aspect could be groundwater studies. So this aspect helps in maintaining groundwater table. Groundwater table means the level of water which is present below the ground surface and which is also used as the ground source or the subsurface source of water for drinking purpose as well as for agricultural purposes. And its applications are it determines the recharge rates and it also manages the aquifer sustainability. So I hope this will help you to understand that what is hydrology and how it is important from an engineering point of view. Thank you.